So here we're going to have a look at something called Immersive Reader. And Immersive Reader is a really cool, powerful tool built inside of OneNote. To access it, we need to come here to View, and then we'll see Immersive Reader. And Immersive Reader will only work if it has typed text. So if we have text on a screen that's an image, it won't be able to pick it up. So that's very important that the text must be typed. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at this example and see what it looks like in Immersive Reader, because sometimes that might be a little bit difficult to read, or we're distracted by other things on the page. So to help us concentrate and for us to use some learning tools, we click here on Immersive Reader. And then we can see that it is converted. Now, it might give you some tips initially, but here it is here. And what I can do is I can hit play, and that will read that aloud for me. Okay, I can come to, if I'm maybe stuck on this word, I could click on it and get it to read it. I've got lots of individual changes here that I could make if I prefer reading with different backgrounds or different fonts, if I like my text to be bigger or more spaced out or less spaced out. And what's really cool about this is that all these settings that you set up are all designed specifically for you, and it will remember them each time you come back in. Now, you can also have translate on as well, or we can do that by the word, or we can flick it so it translates the whole document as well, one or the other. You also got some grammar options here. So if you needed some help with grammar, if you wanted to know what the verbs were in here, we could turn that on, and then our verbs will, if we come back and just turn these ones off so we're not stuck in German. There we go. We can see that the verbs here will light up in those colors that are necessary. To leave Immersive Reader, all we need to do is click this little exit arrow, and then we return. So I want you to have a go typing out your own sentence for me, and then seeing how that appears and what you can do with it in Immersive Reader.